One of the most time-consuming and energy-draining tasks in any technical discipline is problem solving. Digital services, web applications, and marketing technologies are so incredibly complex that usually 90% of the time is spent trying to find what the problem is, and just 10% is required for the actual fix. My name is Simo Ahava. I'm the co-founder of Simmer and a lifelong student of the art of solving problems. Over the past 14 years, I've spent countless hours in product forums, industry communities, Facebook groups, Slack channels, and even Google Plus circles, trying to solve every single problem that I come across. And over those thousands upon thousands of hours of tinkering, the one tool I've used the most, the one tool I found absolutely irreplaceable in my toolkit, is Google Chrome DevTools. DevTools are the free developer tools in the Google Chrome web browser. They are so comprehensive that you can think of them as an integrated development environment right in your web browser. For marketing technologies, they offer incredibly useful tools for validating A/B tests, for observing what data is sent and received by the browser, for verifying that the site is compliant with regard to cookie policies, and for optimizing the performance of your marketing efforts. At Simmer, we've created an online course that teaches you how to use Chrome DevTools from the point of view of a digital marketer. This self-paced course, titled Chrome DevTools for Digital Marketers, is a comprehensive walkthrough of the different panels of DevTools. However, instead of exhausting you with elaborate descriptions of every single checkbox and toggle in the toolkit, the focus of the course is on technical digital marketing use cases. In the lessons and topics of the course, I've distilled my own experiences, tactics, and strategies for using Chrome DevTools in the most efficient way. You'll learn how to solve problems and fix issues, and you'll also improve your prototyping skills because DevTools can be used to test and validate marketing tags before they are actually deployed on the page. The course comprises over 40 short, bite-sized video lessons, lots of supplemental text content, and the support of an enthusiastic community of peers. Once you complete the course, you will receive a certificate of completion that you can proudly share in social media. You're also invited to join the Simmer community, where we can continue learning together as we tackle your technical marketing issues using Google Chrome's DevTools, of course. As with all Simmer courses, you'll get lifetime access to the course content when you enroll. Visit teamsimmer.com to learn more about our new course, Chrome DevTools for Digital Marketers, and about our other content too.